Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the deployment name in a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So what is the deployment version? So during software development lifecycle, there are many phases are there. Uh, so in deployment phase, it will come as development, staging, production like that. So we are going to set that deployment name, whether it is a development stage or in staging or it's a production mission. So this is the command hostnamectl set -deployment. So I am setting this mission for development mission. So after issuing hostnamectl command, you can see that deployment value is set. So you can either reset or clear the deployment name like this. So I am clearing the deployment name. So this is the command to clear the deployment name. So now you can see that nothing is displayed. So once again I am putting back the deployment name, set deployment to staging. So I am setting this box as a staging box. So this is a staging box located in Trichinopalli. So nice command. Make use of this command. So this command will be very useful to you to identify what type of mission it is.